Oh, that must be a thank you present from Mrs. Dragon. Thank you, Mrs. Dragon. Nighty night, Beanie.
Achoo!